body gets high sometimes, you know. What else can we do while we're feeling alone? So take a deep breath and let it go. You shouldn't be drowning on your own. And if you feel you are sinking, I will jump right over into cold water for you. And although time may take us into different places, I will still be patient with you. And I hope you know I won't let go. I'll be your lifeline tonight. I won't let go. I'll be your lifeline tonight. 'Cause we all got love sometimes, you know. It's how we learn and how we grow. And I wanna lay with you till I'm old. Oh, right over into cold water for you. And although time may take us into different places, I will still be patient with you. And I hope you know I won't let go. I'll be your lifeline tonight. I won't let go. I'll be your lifeline tonight. Come on, save me from a rocking boat. I just wanna stay up close. I'm all alone, and now someone's gonna take me home, somewhere I can rest my soul. I need to know you won't let go. I'll be your lifeline tonight. I won't let go. I'll be your lifeline tonight. I won't let go. When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off your feet. Will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheeks? And darling, I will be loving you till we're 17. And baby, my heart is still forever hard at 23. And I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just a touch of her hand. Oh, me, I fall in love with you every single day. And I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of a thousand stars. Place your hand on my beating heart. And the crowd don't remember my name. When my hands don't play the strings the same way. And I know you will love me the same. 'Cause honey, I'm so can never grow old, it's evergreen. And baby, your smile's forever in my mind and memory. And I'm thinking about how people just keep on making the same